We'll give you an example of a user part for the aerospace industry. The challenges that encountered by our customer was to reduce its lead time for a new product, and the previously used method was composite tooling, which needed multiple parts assembled together with multiple tooling. So the solution, the technique was quite expensive for low volume of 60 to 200 parts a year. Now the proposed solution from our technical team was to work with the customer to come up with a consolidation of parts together, like this one here. This is an example. And by consolidating all these parts into one, we could reduce the lead time on this project by 3D printing it. So we use Ultem 9085, and with Ultem 9085, it's an FAR 25853 approved fire smoke toxicity product that is excellent for the aerospace industry. We also, to make sure there was no leak, finished the product with a primer, aerospace ready primer that made the part leak proof. So the benefit of this solution was an optimized part, reduced lead time from about 30 weeks to 8 weeks, and the elimination of complex tooling and expensive tooling.